Now for my ladies that don't have any idea what they're doing with their curls, let's get into how you should be washing and styling your hair. So once to twice a week, you're gonna shampoo it. Before you get that shampoo in your hair, make sure your hair is nice and rinsed out, thoroughly saturated with warmer water. We're going to want to be using warmer water the entire time so that we could keep our hair's cuticle open so it's willing to receive that moisture and hydration. Then after that, we're going to use that shampoo directly on the scalp. Give the scalp a nice thorough scrub. Really good in there. We are going to want to only work that through the ends once a week. You don't want to do that twice a week just because that can strip our hair a little bit too much and that's going to cause some drying out, which we don't want. After we rinse out that shampoo completely, then we can go in with the conditioner. We will be working that conditioner on saturated hair, as you can see what I'm doing on the client, wetting and thoroughly working that in from root to end without rubbing that onto the scalp directly so that we don't cause any product buildup. Once I work that in thoroughly with added water to really activate that product, which InnerSense needs, I'm going to rinse this out 100%. Then we'll move on to the styling process. I'm going to be using the Quiet Calm Curl Control and the I Create Lift Volumizing Foam. The Quiet Calm Curl Control is going to help your hair hold on to moisture and hydration, being the water, and the I Create Lift Volumizing Foam is going to set everything in place. I just raked in the cream, but I raked and scrunched in the foam. And then we did a nice hover dry, which mimics a sped up air dry. So if you want to air dry, that's perfectly fine as long as you don't tie it up wet and you don't sleep with it wet. Until next time.
What would I recommend as moisture for curls? Water. It comes right out of your shower, almost for free. I think it's 10 cents a gallon. That is moisture, that is hydration. All the products that you're seeing out there that say, oh, moisturizing, hydrating, that's BS. There's nothing in there that is remotely close to what water is gonna do for your hair. So don't buy into that.